still have 1 minute with you. एंगल चलो रिवाइज करते हैं स्कूल की तरह से. एंगल थीटा, it is a ratio of length of arc L to radius. Theta is equal to L by R. Second part is to define suppose this is X, this is Y, this is R, this is theta. Define sin theta, cos theta, tangent theta. Do it. 2 minutes with you. 2 minutes to write. Sin theta, cos theta, tangent theta. Theta is equal to L by R. Sin theta, cos theta, and tangent theta. Yes, sin theta is equal to what? Perpendicular Y by R. Cos theta, yes, base by hypotenuse, that means X by R. Tangent theta, Y by X. What are the SI units for angle? Radian. 1 radian, theta is equal to 1 radian when L is equal to R. When this length is the same as that of radius, L is equal to R, then it is 1 radian. Next, point number 3 is a table covered in school: sine, cos, tangent, sin theta, cos theta, and tangent theta. Values: theta is equal to 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and then 90 degree. First complete it for sine. Sine 0 is what? Sine 30 is what? Sine 45. Complete it for sine. Sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. So 0 to 90, we know sine, cos, and tangent. Cos 0, cos 0 is 1, cos 30, sine 40, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90. Tangent theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. In case you don't remember the value, then third table you can draw from this. 0 by 1, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, root 3. 1 by 3. Yes, very large number, not defined, or you can say infinite. Complete कर लो. कर ले complete. Do it 1 minute to complete the table in case you have not done it. So that means you know the values. All values for 0 to 90, be it sine, cos or tangent, are positive. बुक बंद कर दो. Fourth point. Is sign convention in 4 quadrants. This is termed as first quadrant, second, third, fourth. So we take one value, say 30 degree. This angle, this line, starting from here, this is theta is equal to 0. When you turn it like this, theta is equal to 30 degree. If it is 30 degree, then this is the positive x-axis, am I right? This is positive. From this point onwards, it is upwards, it is also positive. This is always positive. This square, positive square plus a positive square, under root, this is, you can say, is positive. So, in the first quadrant, we will write one value, first quadrant, sine 30, cos 30 and tangent 30. Draw the diagram, write the values. First quadrant. Sine angle is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Positive by positive will come out what? Positive. Cos, base by hypotenuse, positive. Tangent, perpendicular by base, positive by positive is positive. That is why in the first quadrant, all, be it sine, cos, tangent, all are positive. All. Sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. Tangent 30 is what? Sine by cos, 1 by root. Second quadrant. You need to draw fresh. That means a new diagram. I have this option to delete and write. Let this angle be 150 degree. question is sine of 150 degree is what, cos of 150 is what, and tangent of 150 is what. First decide the sign, whether it is positive or negative, then the value. Book refer नहीं करना. Help. This is, if you take this to be positive, right side, then the left side is negative. This is again upwards, positive. Negative square plus positive square, that is positive. Undo karange. This is also positive. This is always positive, you can say. Sine comes out what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, positive. Cos, base by hypotenuse, negative. Tangent, perpendicular by base, positive by negative. Any value, it will be sine 150, sine 120, any value more than 90, less than 180 degree, any value in this range. This sign convention stands good. How to find? If this is 150, find this angle. This is how much? 30 degree. So sine 30 is the same as that of sine 30. Magnitude will be same as that of sine 30. Sine 30 is how much? 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Tangent 30 is what? 1 by root 3. Now you refer to the book. Page 0 by 9. Page 0 by 9. There is a table given 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Draw a line here. After 90, draw a line. Because 0 to 90 is first quadrant. Then 120, 135, 150 and 180, draw a line. What is the value for sine 150? Check. Check in the table. Sine 150 is how much? 1 by 2. Cos 150 is what? Minus root 3 by 2. Tangent 150 is what? Minus 1 by root 3. In the second quadrant, yes, 1 is positive. Which one? Sine. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. Third quadrant. Book बंद कर दो please. Third quadrant. Third quadrant means angle lies between, yes, 180 to 270. Fine. Let this value be $210. Angle is 210. That means this angle is how much? 30 degree. Yes. To left of this is what? Negative or positive? negative. Downwards, negative. This is always positive. Third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sine of 210, cos 210, tangent 210. Sine decide करो. Yes. This is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, negative. Base by hypotenuse, negative. Sine by cos, negative by negative, or you can say here perpendicular by base, both are negative. So negative divided by negative comes out to be positive. Now we have to write the values. Same, sine 30, cos 30 and tangent 30. Sine 30 is what? Cos 30, tangent. Sine is negative, cos is negative and tangent. Complete it. 1 minute to complete and try and think for fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Angle is 330 degree. 330. Draw the diagram for angle 330. Draw the diagram for angle 330. This total angle is 330 degree. Right side below. Yes. This right side positive x-axis is positive. This is downwards, negative. This is always positive. Sine 330, cos 330, tangent 330. Sine, yes, perpendicular by hypotenuse, yes, negative. Cos, base by hypotenuse, positive by positive, positive. Tangent, perpendicular by base, negative. Values, again, sine 30 is 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 and 1 by root 3. Which one is positive? Cos. So in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Refer to the table and check. We can't check it in the third and the fourth because the values are not given in the table. So let us temporarily assume what I am saying is right. Conclusion is what? ASTC, add sugar to coffee, or after school to college. Issue is Why you need it? In number of chapters in plus 1 and plus 2, you will come across a sine something in bracket. For example, there was a question a sine omega t minus kx. Remember? In units and dimension, there was a question y is equal to a sine omega t minus kx. So you will come across sine 150, 180, 200, 210, 240. So you come across all these values, and then you need to put this value. For example, in some of the question you may come across sine 210 value. You need to know whether it is 1 by 2 or a minus a 1 by 2 or numerical value पता होनी चाहिए. So using this technique, that means what is the procedure? That the line makes what angle with the x-axis? See, when it was here 30 degree with x-axis, when it was 150 it was 30 degree with x-axis, when it was 210 it was 30 degree with x-axis. What angle line makes with the x-axis? Mark that angle, that will give you magnitude. And this principle after school to college will give you the sign. In the first quadrant all are, in the second quadrant only sign is, third, fourth. This was point number 4. Fifth. Some of the important formulas. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We need to remember it. I won't prove, it's not a math class. I will just confirm whether what I am writing is correct. Formula पहले बोलो, sin A plus B is equal to 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 confirm. Let A is a 60 degree and B is a 30 degree. Check whether this left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Time with you is 2 minutes. आराम से करो. ठीक है. Right side sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. Sin 60 plus 30 sin 90. Sin 90 is equal to what? 1. Sin 60 is what? Cos 30. Cos 30 is? Sin 60 is also same. because sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, right? So sine 60 and cos 30 comes out to be same. Cos 60 is what? Sine 30. Root 3 into root 3. 1 into 1, 1 by 4. 3 plus 1, 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So left hand side is 1, right hand side is also 1. So formula confirmed, not proved. Prove कौन करेगा? Maths teacher. उधर. Because we have to spend 1 week, not 1 year. Okay, I will spend 1 week maximum say. So sine A plus B is equal to? Whenever I will use it, I will write it. So whenever you use it, whenever you write it, just come out with the same volume, even if you are doing it at your own. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin A. Second formula is cos A plus B. Book band. Formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Confirm क्यों मैं करूँगे? Let A is equal to 60 and B is equal to 30. Try. Cos A cos B. Let A is 60 degree and B is 30 degree. Yes, left side is what? Cos 90. Right side cos 60 is what? Cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. So it is root 3 by 4. This is also root 3 by 4. The answer right side is 0. Right hand side is 0. Cos 90 is what? 0. So formula cos A plus B is morning class है ना, वॉल्यूम थोड़ा घट है. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Have some energy. ठीक है. Evening class हो तो मैं accept कर सकता. That the energy is low. राजमा खा के चावल खाने तो बाद you have tendency to sleep. बट होता ना करो. टेंजेंट ए प्लस बी फार्मूला पढ़ के दस रहे हैं. टेंजेंट ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू टेंजेंट ए प्लस टेंजेंट बी डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस tan A tan B. Again, your choice. You can take any value. Tangent, say A is 30, B is 30. Suppose different value. Let us try different value. Then left side is tangent 30 plus 30 is what? Tangent 60. Tangent 60 कितना होगा? Root 3. Right side also put A is equal to 30, B is equal to 30 and confirm. what you get on the right side. Do it. Confirm. Yes, confirmed. How many of you say confirmed? Yes, कोई गल नहीं. Let us try. Left hand side is what? Tangent 30 plus 30. Tangent 60 is what? Root 3. Left hand side is tangent 60 comes out to be root 3. Tangent 30, right hand side is tangent 30 into tangent 30 over 1 minus tangent 30 tangent 30. Correct? Tangent 30 is how much? 1 by root 3. This is 1 by root 3. This is also 1 by root 3. 1 by 3. Numerator is? Just a minute. That means I need to prove this. Because here it is written as in the, yes, in the numerator it is tangent A plus, yes. Yes. While writing I made this mistake. What I said was tangent A plus tangent B, but when I was writing, I was wrong. So correction, yes, it is plus. Tangent 30 plus tangent 30. Yes, tangent 30 is 1 by root 3. It is 2 times 1 by root 3. 1 minus. Tangent 30 is what? 1 by root 3. Tangent 30 again 1 by root 3 comes out to be 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. It is what? 2 by root 3 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to root 3. Now it is confirmed. Fine. So the formula is tan A plus B is equal to tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. This will be used rarest of the rare, maybe once in 2 years. This is to be used extensively. That is why we take it one step forward. One modification of the same is that in case A and B are equal, then what? In case A and B are equal, then sin A plus A, sin 2A can be written as sin A plus A is equal to sin A, sin of first angle into cos of second angle plus cos of first, sin of second. Both are same. So it is sin A cos A, cos A sin A. What you get is 2 sin A cos A. So sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. लिख लो. Chapter 2 तो ही शुरू हो जाएगा देखना. Use of this. Chapter 2 जी आ जाएगा. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Sin of 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Try for cos A plus B also. So formula is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Cos a plus b, cos a plus a, that means cos 2a can be written as cos a plus a is equal to what? Cos of first angle, cos of a second angle minus sine of first angle and sine of a second angle. What you get is cos square a minus sine square a. So cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sine square a. लिख लो cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sine square a. Format to be changed. It can be written as cos square theta 1 minus sine square theta. So you can write it like this also. So what you get is 1 minus 2 sine square a. So cos 2a is equal to 1 minus, स्पेस दे देना थोड़ी, कुछ और भी लिखूंगा, 1 minus 2 sin square a. Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Can you write in cos also, cos form also? Sin square a 1 minus cos square a. When you say 1 minus, minus and minus की बन जाएगा plus. So you can also write as 2 cos square a minus. So cos 2a is equal to, बोलो, cos square a minus sin square a. इतना याद रखना है, because cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square. This is something which you can remember. After that, you want to change it to sin or cos, not a problem. Result is cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1. These are all addition formulas. Sin a minus b is a sin a cos b. Cos is sin with as it is here. Difference is minus. Confirm it. Confirm the first one. Put a is equal to 60 and b equal to 30. A equal to 60 degree and b equal to 30 degree. Confirmed or not? If A is 60, B is 30, sine 60 minus 30. Sine 30. Sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. It is sine 30 cos sine 60 cos 30. Cos 60 sine 30. Confirmed? So, cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B sine A sine B. Yes. Plus cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Confirm the second part also. Confirm the second part also at your own. Put A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree and confirm. What do you say? Confirmed? 1 minute more. Confirm it. Tangent A minus B is equal to tangent A minus tangent B of 1 plus tangent A tangent B. Put A equal to 60, B is equal to 30. A equal to 60, B equal to 30. जो कल वाला स्टूडेंट हाँ जी हाँ जी आज कड़े कड़े ना कोई चलो मैं उन्होंने आफ्टर द क्लास से एक बार 9 o'clock एक मिनट वास्ते आ जाना चाहिए ठीक है बस मैं पूछूंगा कोई मैं उन्होंने पूछ लूँगा आफ्टर अच्छा यश प्रताप स्टूडेंट कौन है यश तुम आफ्टर द क्लास मिल जाना ठीक है तो किस दिन लेक्चर मिस होया एक मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे कोई अटेंड कर लेना आप टेंजेंट ए माइनस बी टेंजेंट ए माइनस टेंजेंट बी डिवाइड बाय 1 प्लस टेंजेंट ए टेंजेंट बी कंफर्म्ड last point in a given triangle let this angle is A and the opposite side is A small a angle is capital A side is A draw the diagram this angle is B and the opposite side is small b. This angle is capital C, it is difficult to distinguish this capital C and small c, but you can try. One of the formulas is side by sine of angle. A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by Sine C. Let us confirm it. This angle A, opposite side A, angle B, I will give you the values. This is B, this angle is capital C, opposite side is C. Let A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. C comes out to be equal to what? 1 square plus 1 square under root. Yes, under root 2. C's angle is how much? Yes, angle C is 90 degree. A is 45 degree. B is also 45 degree. Two sides are equal. Confirm whether this formula is correct or not for this triangle. A, yes, value of A 1, sine of A sine 45. B 1 divided by sine 45, angle B is 45, sine 45 is equal to C root 2, C is root 2 divided by sine of C sine 90 degree. Confirm whether it is correct or not. Sine 45 is what? 1 by root 2, ulta karange to ban jayega root 2. This will also come out to be root 2. Sine 90 is what? 1. So root 2 by 1 is 1. So what you get is root 2. So that means the side divided by sine of angle, side divided by sine of opposite angle. That ratio remains the same. Maybe once in 2 years. Use karange, das dange tam. This is 1, 2. Cos of angle, this angle, is equal to square of the two sides, B square plus C square minus square of opposite side divided by 2BC. This is another formula. Cos of A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. In book it is written in different form, nothing to worry. To be used for competitions.